Welcome to HomePan Tri-Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that might seem small, but plays a surprisingly significant role in your culinary adventures. We're talking about the 1.5 quart stainless steel saucepan with a pour spout and glass lid. Now, a saucepan is a fundamental tool, but not all saucepans are created equal. This one promises a lot, so let's put it to the test. Right off the bat, the material is a key selling point. It's constructed from 18/10 food-grade stainless steel. What does that mean for you? Well, 18/10 stainless steel is known for its durability, resistance to rust and staining, and its non-reactive nature, which is crucial when you're dealing with acidic ingredients like tomatoes or citrus. The interior boasts a special matte finish designed to prevent scratches over time, which is a nice touch for maintaining its appearance. The exterior, on the other hand, has a mirror finish, giving it a stylish and elegant look that should complement any kitchen decor. And for those of us who appreciate precision, the easy-to-read measurement marks inside are a thoughtful addition for accurately following recipes. One of the standout features here is the pour spout. This might sound like a minor detail, but it can make a world of difference when you're trying to pour sauces, gravies, or even just water from boiling pasta without making a mess. The spout is designed to be precise, and combined with the shatterproof glass lid, it adds a layer of practicality that many smaller saucepans lack. Speaking of the lid, it's not just for show. It has straining holes on both sides, which is a brilliant feature for draining pasta, noodles, or even vegetables without needing a separate colander. This streamlines your cooking process and reduces the number of dishes you have to wash. The lid also fits snugly, helping to trap heat and moisture, which is essential for even cooking and simmering. The handle is made of 18/10 stainless steel as well, and it's ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. The fact that it's designed to stay cool is a significant safety and convenience factor, meaning you won't be scrambling for oven mitts every time you need to move the pot. It's also engineered for a lifetime of balanced cooking, suggesting a focus on weight distribution and handling. Underneath the stainless steel is where things get really interesting. This saucepan features a tri-ply bonded construction. This means there's a 3-layer system at the base, with a thermally responsive aluminum core sandwiched between the stainless steel interior and exterior. Aluminum is an excellent heat conductor, and by placing it in the middle, the saucepan is designed for fast and even heating. This is crucial for preventing hot spots that can lead to scorching or unevenly cooked food. The fact that it's compatible with gas, electric ceramic, and induction cooktops makes it incredibly versatile. No matter what kind of stove you have, this saucepan should work seamlessly with it. When it comes to durability and cleaning, this saucepan is built to last. The 18/10 food-grade stainless steel is inherently resistant to corrosion and staining. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for busy home cooks. If you prefer hand washing, the smooth interior and exterior should make that a breeze as well. It's also freezer and refrigerator safe, so you can easily store leftovers directly in the pot. This makes it a truly all-around kitchen tool. In terms of functionality, this 1.5 quart saucepan, with its 14 cm diameter and 12 cm height, is perfectly sized for a multitude of tasks. It's ideal for warming small portions of food, melting butter gently without scorching, preparing breakfast cereals, or making individual servings of soups and sauces. It's not meant for large batches, but for those single-serving or smaller meal prep needs, it's a workhorse. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, the 18/10 stainless steel construction, the tri-ply base for even heating, the convenient pour spout, and the built-in strainer on the lid are all significant advantages. The ergonomic, stay-cool handle and the easy-to-read measurement marks add to its user-friendliness. It's also dishwasher safe and compatible with all cooktops, making it a highly versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. However, there are a couple of points to consider. The 1.5 quart capacity, while perfect for many tasks, might be too small for those who frequently cook for larger families or prepare big batches of sauces. Also, while the matte interior is designed to prevent scratches, all stainless steel cookware will eventually show some signs of wear with prolonged heavy use, especially if abrasive cleaning tools are employed. In conclusion, this 1.5 quart stainless steel saucepan with a pour spout and glass lid is a well-designed and thoughtfully constructed piece of cookware. It excels in its primary functions, offering excellent heat distribution, convenient features like the pour spout and strainer lid, and durable materials. It's a great option for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and versatile small saucepan. Link in the description.